The Pressure Braising Pan from Electrolux Professional is a must-have for any high-volume kitchen. Its pressure cooking function cuts cook times by up to 60%, helping you produce more food faster with less effort. You'll even notice a difference in color, producing bright, vibrant dishes. You can also cook multiple items at once and even automate overnight cooking, boosting productivity around the clock. With the ability to sear, boil, braise, pressure cook, or steam, it replaces multiple pieces of cooking equipment, saving space and money. Since there is minimal evaporation, there are fewer ingredients needed with higher yields produced. This cuts your food cost and increases your profits. The double wall insulation keeps the exterior cool, improving safety and reducing energy costs. You can even save cooking programs so everyone easily knows what to do to achieve consistent results. And the best part is that it's easy to clean with the motorized tilting, rounded corners, and a non-stick-like bottom, making cleanup faster, saving time and labor. The IPX6 rated screen also adds water resistance for extra durability. These are available in gas or electric with two different sizes, a 24-gallon or a 45-gallon model. So there's a model for every kitchen. Check out the Pressure Braising Pan from Electrolux Professional and cook smarter, safer, and more profitably.